Okay, what's up mga bossing? Welcome back to my channel, Boy Bukas Toy Box. At si Alvin na naman ito para magbukas ng mga laruang na paborito ng mga isip bata. Okay, so mga bossing, welcome. So we got a box. So I just got it from Amazon. So as usual, we got Snap again. We got a chance to get a good deal. This is on sale. So, click. Add to cart tayo mga bossing. Kaya, here we go. So, let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
The Karambit. So it's supposed to be how we hold it, right? Something like this, yeah. Okay, the Karambit style. Okay. As you can see, my bossing, this is straight from Battlebrand Division in Hong Kong, all the way down here in the Ontario, going to Vancouver. So it's really nice to have, to have this still in the packaging brown box. So that's pretty neat. Oopsie. Okay. Yeah, like you'll have to get it from the brown box, straight from the manufacturing shipping. Okay, so okay. What's the okay, so looks like it was glued here, so we still need to force it. Am I right, or let's, oh no, I don't think, yeah, we can just, oh my goodness, here you go. Let's see, the Master of the Universe Hot Wheels character cars. I'm not sure how many types or series they release on this one, but let's see what I got. Okay, here you go. This is the coolest box ever. Nice. So He-Man, Skeletor, Man at Arms. We got the Beastman and Tila. I almost say Tesla. Okay, so nice, pretty cool box. Always made in Thailand. Yeah, they used to produce it in the Philippines before they opened their factory in Thailand or in other part of Asia. They have the biggest plant in Asia before in the Philippines, but unluckily, I don't know, maybe the government's problem. Okay, here we go. Let's open now. Ooh-wee. Nice. I like the artworks here. So maybe let's do it this. So it's like a pop-up cutout cardboard that you can display together with your Hot Wheels car. Okay, let's put it on the side, and here we go. Nice. Okay, so this pretty interesting color. It's like trying to be matte, so it doesn't look good with the orange and the yellow, but so far so good. Let's start from Man at Arms. Okay, from the top. How about that? Okay, so interesting. Looks like there's no die cast going on here. So here you go, mga bossing. It's really lightweight. Maybe the die cast is only this top part. Just the helmet part. And the rest is pure plastic. So here you go. Okay, let's put this here and continue with Tila. Oh, Tila have a nice wheels over here. Got a gold plated inside. And what's this? Like what kind of red is that? And a white sides and front and under. Oh, interesting. 2020. It's been 2 years now. It's been held by the COVID, I guess. Nice, nice. Yeah, I don't know. See, you hear that? So maybe okay, it feels like it's quite cold. So this is only the top part that is die cast. The rest is plastic. Okay, let's continue with... Okay, then let's do He-Man last. How about some Beastman here? Yeah, it looks like that, right? You see how's the paint, the orange? This one looks good, so plastic. But look, I love the way this really looks like Beastman. So those are rubbery spike. Okay, plastic, top wheel support. Okay. Okay, the top part, die cast. Yeah, nice. Yeah, see how it sounds. And it feels cold, so yeah. Nice die cast there. Okay, let's go to Skeletor. Look at that. How do you call this kind of cars? Is that like a F1 race car? Something? Yeah. So, okay, so if you look at it like this, it's like, yeah. It's like a skull of Skeletor. The only thing is they don't have this cape or hoodie on top. Okay. So plastic. This part. Yeah, plastic. I think this, the base is, yeah, die cast. So make it also under is die cast. Oh no, okay, half of that. Only the top part is die cast. Yeah, so pretty cool. Okay, so nice, nice. Okay, let's, of course, the best part and the best is the He-Man. There you go, my bossing. Oh, look at that sword. Nice. Okay. I wish they make it red line. Like on the wheels. This one's pretty cool. Okay, so just to become He-Man, just the sword and this breastplate of He-Man is here. And yeah, I think this is the, how to call that, like the underwear part, right? Okay, so die cast only this. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, this top part is die cast. And halfway is plastic. So there you go, my boss. Sing, they're all so cool. So if you're just new here, my bossing, if you're, you just accidentally click this video and you think you like it, please don't forget to like this video at share nyo rin sa mga friends nyo. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Please share it on your social media like Facebook, maybe Instagram, TikTok, or maybe even Twitter, right? So, and please do me a favor, mga bossing. Smash the subscribe buttons now at hit nyo rin yung bell icon so always updated sa mga latest video natin. So, latest toys na we unbox and we review. Okay, here you go, mga bossing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Peace out.